Hello everyone, my name is Ocheode and I'm going to be reviewing the article, A Comparative Analysis for Emerging E-Commerce Business Owners, a case study of Shopify and Amazon by Kylie. For the outline, we'll have an introduction, look at the supply chain of both Shopify and Amazon and how they diverge from each other, Amazon business model as well as the business model of Shopify. We'll also examine considerations when choosing an e-commerce platform, as well as recommendations for Shopify. The article examines the topic of Shopify and Amazon as COVID-19 and the emergence of new technologies ushers in a new era of online retail, B2B and B2C content. As a result, supply chain management has to catch up. With the onset of COVID-19 and its subsequent international lockdowns and travel restrictions, many individuals have turned to online platforms to purchase both essential and non-essential items. Online platforms, with their readily availability and ease of shopping, have made it possible for people to purchase goods with just a few taps on their devices. As the pandemic gripped the world, online shopping grew. The popularity of online shopping is evident through the International Trade Administration of the United States Department of Commerce, which found out that there was a 4.4% growth of total online retail sales from 2019 to 2020. As evident in the chart below, the total global retail sales of the e-commerce shares and its projections to 2024 are shown. It is evident that starting from 2015, the e-commerce sphere has taken off. Mel and Yantu in their article posited that online transactions will continue to be a dominant force in retail sales, as research has shown that customers' behavior has changed to embrace both in-store and online shopping. The objective of this research paper is to provide an insight for things to consider for e-commerce sellers choosing between the two platforms. In order to understand how e-commerce works, we may first take a look on how Amazon and Shopify diverge in regards to their supply chain. Supply chain is a network of individuals and companies working together to deliver a product to the customer, from the sourcing of the items to the final delivery to the customer's doorstep. Modern logistics have become increasingly important to improve the efficiency of materials flows and to reduce distribution costs in various industries, allowing for speedy delivery required by e-commerce customers. The Amazon supply chain offers two types: fulfillment by Amazon and fulfillment by merchants. Fulfillment by Amazon is a service that provides inventory storage and shipping to the seller. A seller sends their product to his designated Amazon fulfillment center where items are stored and distributed. Fulfillment by merchant means that the seller receives the customer order and ships it directly to the foreign customer from the domestic suppliers or warehouse. That is, the seller is responsible for a series of activities such as warehousing, picking, packing, dispatching, and customer service. Each link is controlled by the seller. The comparison is obvious. Fulfillment by merchant requires that the seller bears responsibility. Shopify also offers two types of fulfillment packages: fulfillment by seller and fulfillment by the Shopify network. The latter option is being fulfillment by sellers for Shopify is the same as that of Amazon, as both utilizes third-party logistics. Shopify Fulfillment Network simplifies your shipping and fulfillment in the following ways. You only need to ship your inventory to a single fulfillment center. SFN distributes your inventory across its network of fulfillment centers so that your products are stored close to your customers. You get access to fast, affordable shipping. The Shopify Fulfillment Network automatically chooses the best shipping option to deliver your products quickly at the best rate. You save time and costs on managing returns. The Shopify Fulfillment Network handles returns for you and quickly restocks return inventory for your next sale. Taking a close look at Amazon, which is a company founded in 1994 by Jeff Bezos as an online bookseller, it evolved into an e-commerce platform selling virtually everything. It also expanded into various other business segments like cloud computing, digital streaming, and artificial intelligence. Certainly, Amazon is a multifaceted global giant with various business segments, each playing a pivotal role in the company's overall success. The concept of flywheel effect, popularized by Jeff Bezos, has been central to Amazon's growth, strategy, and success. The idea behind the flywheel effect is that certain inputs within a business system result into outputs that can be fed back into the system as input, creating a vicious cycle of growth and improvement. The cycle gains momentum with each iteration, much like how a flywheel gains speed as it is continuously pushed. For Amazon, the flywheel concept can be broken down as follows. Lower price. This starts by offering a wide range of products at competitive prices, often lower prices. Customer experience. Improved customer experience attracts more visitors to Amazon's marketplace. This is achieved by offering benefits like free shipping under Amazon Prime, vast selection of products, and convenience. Increased volume. As more customers shop on Amazon, sales volume increases. Attract third-party sellers. With more specific traffic and volume, third-party sellers find the platform more appealing, leading to even greater product selection and availability. Fixed cost spread. As sales volume grows, Amazon can spread its fixed costs over a large number of sales, allowing it to achieve economies of scale. Low cost structure. Economies of scale allows Amazon to further reduce price, feeding back into the initial steps of offering more product at even lower prices. Additionally, the growth of Amazon Marketplace boosts its other businesses. For instance, the growth of the e-commerce platform led to the creation and rapid expansion of Amazon Web Services. As Amazon e-commerce business demands vast computing resources, the company built infrastructures that it could then sell as service to other businesses, thus spinning the Amazon Web Services into another aspect of the flywheel. Jeff Bezos' brilliance in recognizing and leveraging these interconnected feedback loops, driving momentum that propelled the company forward. The flywheel effect encourages continuous improvement, innovation, and customer centricity, all of which have been the hallmark of Amazon's approach. Shopify is a Canadian company that was founded in 2004 by Tobias, Daniel, and Scott Lake. According to New York, in his article, Shopify Business Case, Shopify is the world's second largest online retailer in the US, with Amazon taking the first place. Shopify prides itself in the following: customizable templates, free website designs to launch your store quickly and easily, all in one. Shopify takes care of everything from marketing, payments, to secure transactions and shipping. A safe and efficient platform. Millions of users trust Shopify to manage their online stores. Shopify provides e-commerce merchants with the technology and templates to build online stores and manage omni-channel marketing, selling, payments, logistics, and other services. Shopify's successes relies on the company's model of allowing sellers to customize their pages. Sellers have more autonomy on Shopify than they do on Amazon Marketplace, where Shopify all use a shared platform that advertises for competitors. Shopify instead offers each user their own domain, which is less risky and more user-friendly and provides more freedom. Kylene in the article stated that Shopify has 5 targeted solutions. Information advantage. The Shopify Cloud Platform was created to collect data from supply and demand interaction. This increases information transparency for sellers and management regarding merchant business decisions. Brand control. Merchants can control and customize their own brand from thousands of templates to best represent their company and goods. This contributes to brand recognition and customer loyalty. Mobile phone usage. Mobile e-commerce is on the rise, and Shopify has been developing new solutions to speed up checkout via Shopify Pay, Apple Pay, Google Pay. Shopify mobile app has more than 107 million users, according to their fourth quarter 2021 reports. Front end and multi-channels. Shopify provides a variety of display options for merchants to sell their products through various channels such as mobile apps, the internet, physical stores, and social media marketplace. Solitary integrated backend. Shopify's single integrated backend is designed to allow for multiple processes such as order processing, shipping orders, and analytics. This is according to Morgia, page 6 in her article. Sellers who want to go straight to Shopify should keep in mind that the platform does not have social media and gift cards. This means that sellers with large social media following could forego opening an Amazon store account first because they can drive traffic to their Shopify store using their existing following. In choosing an e-commerce platform, we need to take a look at the following: the supply chain and shipping of the platform, the cost involved, the features of the platform, as well as seller autonomy and customization. I'll be looking at this in much details with focus on Shopify, highlighting pros and cons of each segment. Under supply chain and shipping, one of the pros of Shopify is more autonomy in the supply chain, as the ability to set up their own customer service, return and exchange policies, and manage the packaging process of the item. A major drawback includes a greater reliance on third-party logistics, which is very difficult. And the Shopify fulfillment network is relatively new, and not much people are aware of that. Under cost, one of the pros is there's no cap on inventory or performance index. Because the website does not advertise for competitors, customers will not be directed to other stores, and it allows for diverse payment. A major drawback include merchants are responsible for their own marketing and advertising. For features, Shopify prides itself in sellers building their own websites, numerous plugins, and lots of customization, user-friendly. Drawback is we have less chances to scale up the business if there is no pre-existing customer base. For seller autonomy and customization, Shopify advances more chances for customers interaction and customer loyalty. It can help customize packaging and set up customer service return policies, and the ability to hold promotions and partnership with other brands. A drawback is more time and responsibility in warehousing, shipping, and packaging. Looking at the revenue, the yearly revenue, there was a constant growth until 2021 where there's a dip. Now, how do we remedy this dip? What should Shopify do to reverse this trend. In order to reverse the 2021 trend, Shopify needs to shrink return rates. Brands are losing an average of $29 for every customer they acquire, a 222% increase in the last 8 years. Aside from steep customer acquisition costs, return takes a lot of the blame. Customers return 20 to 30% of online purchases compared to 18 to 10% of in-store purchases. To minimize returns, customers need to be confident that what they see online is what shows up at their doorsteps. Detailed product description, customer reviews, and 360-degree views of each product help set customers' expectations and reduce return rates. Bringing products to life to customers through augmented reality is becoming a viable option as more customers around the world are adopting the technology. Shopify should also digitalize its supply chain. The more volatile global supply chains are, the faster brand must respond. 1/3 of the brands surveyed plan to digitalize manual process within their supply chains. This looks like using scanning apps or inventory management software, or relying on machine learning or artificial intelligence-based solution to do everything from load pulling to dynamic routing. Also a case for free shipping. People order more when there's free shipping. People order about 2.5 items with free shipping compared to less than 2 items with paid shipping. People spend over $3 more on the median average item with free shipping than with paid shipping. People buy over $22 more on median order with free shipping than with paid shipping. For discounts, promote loyalty and spending, it is cheaper to drive sales with existing customers than to acquire new ones. Brands can reward loyal customers by offering exclusive discounts to encourage them to spend more. Discounting products via product bundles or time-sensitive sales can be marketed as personalized recommendation to help hard-to-move products move fast. Shopify should also focus on social commerce. With social commerce or social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook venturing into e-commerce, Shopify can develop tighter integrations or features that help merchants leverage social selling more effectively. Social media is taking over e-commerce every month. 95% of working-age internet users uses the social media. Gen Z is now using social media for brand research and more. Social networks have become the second most popular method global customers use to search for products. E-marketers estimate that the social e-commerce sales in the United States alone will double, exceeding 56 billion. So this is a gray area Shopify needs to look at. Shopify also needs to improve its offline capabilities. While it has point of sale system, strengthening its offline capabilities can attract brick and mortar retailers looking for integrated solution. And lastly, acquisitions. Identify and acquiring promising startups or business that can complement Shopify ecosystem can quickly bring in new features, technologies, or market segments. Implementing these recommendations requires careful planning and strategic investment. However, if well executed, they can position Shopify even more prominently in the e-commerce platform market and capture a larger market share. Thank you.